The telencephalon and the diencephalon are the two components that differentiate from the prosencephalon in development. The telencephalon is the phylogenetically newest. Consciousness happens at the level of the telencephalon. The next level down is the diencephalon. There are only two main brain regions in the diencephalon, and both of them have the word thalamus in the name, so that should help you remember it. The first one is thalamus. The thalamus has a couple of really important parts. First, it acts as a sensory relay station. Information from all of your sensory systems comes first to the thalamus before it goes to the primary sensory cortex in the telencephalon. There are a couple of specific thalamic nuclei that are responsible for particular components of these sensory systems. For example, the lateral geniculate nucleus is the sensory relay station for visual information, while the medial geniculate nucleus is the sensory relay station for auditory information. The other important function of the thalamus, besides acting as a sensory relay station, is that it plays a really important role in the sleep-wake cycle. Other brain regions communicate with the thalamus in order to coordinate activity of the cortex during the sleep-wake cycle. The second region in the diencephalon is the hypothalamus. As its name suggests, it's located just below the thalamus. The thalamus is a little bit medial to the basal ganglia in the telencephalon. The thalamus is more lateral, though, than the mid-sagittal section, than this corpus callosum that I drew here. The hypothalamus lives right above the pituitary gland, and it controls the pituitary gland. And by controlling the pituitary hormones, the hypothalamus is responsible for what we call the 4 F's of human physiology. That is feeding, fighting, fleeing, and sexual activity.